Guard your mind against negative thoughts because we are shaped by our thoughts. Our thoughts create reality, such as telekinesis and other thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure and full of joy, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. For life to be of value, I believe we must develop basic human qualities of kindness and compassion. Then our life becomes more meaningful and more peaceful and happier, not just for us, but for others as well. Lead me from the unreal to the real. Lead me from the darkness to the light. Lead me from the fear of death to immortality of soul, gained by the knowledge of the immortal self beyond death. Let there be peace, and peacefulness all around us. With the Buddhist path and the Buddha nature, this will be achieved in us and others.